Welcome to 58 Sidney Belsey Crescent, a family-friendly condominium townhome complex well situated within the Weston neighbourhood of Toronto. Unit 202 is a 3-bedroom end-unit home that features a balcony with metal railing, 1 underground parking space, as well as a covered entrance with exterior decor columns. Laminate flooring flows throughout the open concept living and dining rooms, as well as into the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. A chandelier casts an ambient glow in the dining area, which also has direct access to the kitchen. And both bedrooms are quite spacious and have double closets. The living and dining room's gracious size is well suited for large family gatherings or intimate soirees with friends, and entertaining easily spills outdoors during the summer months with its walkout onto the balcony. The ceramic flooring of the foyer is continued into the galley-style eat-in kitchen. This work and family space features a stainless steel double sink, ample cabinetry storage, includes appliances, and has a cozy breakfast area. While off the kitchen, there is also a laundry area, a storage closet, and a coat closet. The main 4-piece washroom features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and there is the convenience of a linen closet right outside its door. Completing this home is a generously sized master bedroom that features laminate flooring, a large walk-in closet, access to household storage space, and a 4-piece ensuite washroom. Ideal for first-time buyers, this home enjoys a great location and is walking distance to Portage Trail Community School, TTC bus and subway service, green spaces and walking trails, as well as shopping. And it's also just a short drive for quick access to Highways 401 and the 400.